Anong sport mo, Marion?
Parang lawyer si Marion.
Anong sports mo?
Debate po.
Debate!
Debate naman! Sports!
Debate club. Pero anong tawag ngayon?
Ano po, debate varsity po yung ano namin.
Yun na pala varsity na ang pagdidebate kasi panlaban ng eskwelahan.
I think kasi lumalaban pa rin naman po kami like nationally sa mga tournament. Tsaka
Ayun.
Here!
Here bang sinasabi?
Oo. Kasi ang debate din pala, parang sports din yan. May skills, may teamwork.
Tagisan ng talino.
Yes,
Panlaban sa
tagisan
eskwela
talino.
sila.
So, parang may kahambing. Parang inahahambing din sa sports. No?
Team din siya, kumbaga. Team sport din.
Opo.
Yes. Pag sa debate naman, ano paborito mong topic? Gusto kang magaling?
Mga social issues po.
Oh. Meron pa
Socially
pala
relevant.
nagdidebate rito. Meron pa rin
Ayun, kanina
Ay,
nag-here.
Nag-here si ate
Ayun,
nag-agree.
ayun,
Ano pa ibig sabihin ng here? Kailan
Ano po,
sinasabi yan?
that's a sign of affirmation, ta support po.
Parang you agree.
Opo, ayun. Here. Parang gagawin.
Parang ang pogi naman ni Pong Navarro. Here. Ganun?
Here. Oh, here.
Ayan na.
What's your name? Sorry.
My name is Fran.
Hi, Fran.
R-A-N.
Fran?
Hi.
I am a Fran.
Uy, Fran yun.
Hello.
Fran and Marion. Ito
Yes.
ang debate nyo. Ano ang mas nauna? Manok o itlog?
Yun.
Okay.
Ang mauna ay si
Marion.
Ikaw muna mauna. Ano sa'yo?
Itlog po.
Okay.
Manok si Fran.
Okay.
Okay.
Ikaw muna mag-depend. Bakit nauna ang
Ang itlog.
Itlog sa manok. The principle of life suggests that it's cyclical in nature. It means that for something to happen, for something to take shape, it needs to take in energy, it needs to take in everything. The way that we do this, we tell you on our side, is that we start from eggs at the first start of the day. The same way that we are able to accumulate nutrients into our system to the extent that we're able to hatch actually into being a chicken. The problem with your side is that you're going to have to assume that chickens were born out of nowhere. On our side, at least we are able to stick to the biological principle in which that organisms take time and nutrients and everything to be able to grow up.
Mr. Adjudicator, I'd like to shame that statement.
Shame.
Okay.
Go, Fran! Here!
So I'd like to shame that statement because realistically, paleontology-wise, where did the egg come from? Right? It needs to have a chicken. And where did the chicken come from? We have long history of dinosaurs being closely related to chickens and having fossilites and creating fossil energy. So realistically, where did the very first chicken come from? Right? So the very first chicken birthed the first egg and then birthed into a next generation of eggs. And then now we have farms.
POI.
Okay, entertain your POI.
If the chicken's predecessor is then the dinosaur, does it mean that the dinosaur did not lay an egg in which the same way that like chickens with feathers do? Or did they
Objection.
just come out of nowhere?
Objection.
Go.
Okay, so how does that egg come to be? Right? Two dinosaurs. Two dinosaurs create an egg and then therefore a generation of dinosaurs which then reach a pattern of evolution which then degrade into the now known chicken.
So, the very notion of your argument is to say that, hey, we came from dinosaurs, so the moment we turn to chicken, we start from eggs at the very end of the day. Isn't that self-affirming to what my stance is supposed to be?
Self-affirming in what case? Where did your egg come from?
Wait. Out of order.
Bakit? Dapat
We have someone wants to...
objection? May objection?
object. Yes.
Sino?
Bem.
What's your objection?
Bam into the room. Come
What
on.
can you say? What can you say about that?
Bam.
Ang masasabi ko lang sa inyong dalawa, true.
Nice. Very nice.
Kala ka naman kung ano sasabihin mo, Bem. Ikaw talaga.
Taga lang, anong school mo?
So,
I-shoutout mo ang school mo.
Shoutout po sa University of the Philippines, Manila.
Pero thank you pa si Fran. I-shoutout mo yung school mo
Yes,
dati.
I'd like to shout out Benild. Hi. The LaSalle St. Benild. He actually went against you.
You
went
did?
against your varsity one time, yes.
Really? Oh, because you're LaSalle, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
We go
magkalaban ah. Magkalaban.
Tapos nagtagpo rito.
Grabe Ang ganda niya.
Ay mo.
Pero Marion, galing mo ha.
Oo, thank you,
Actually, ang galing rin ni
Kahanga-hanga.
Fran.
Galing ni Fran
Galing
eh.
din ni Fran.